Hi, it's Mark Sugar at Auto Clearing at 331 Circle Drive West. Right behind me right here is the limited edition Hydro Blue 2018 Ram Sport. So what's different about the 2018 Ram Sport that's different from the 2017? Follow me, we're gonna start at the front over here. So you're gonna notice the grille design. The grille has been changed on the Ram Sport from the 2017. You had the crosshair grille. Now you have this grille right here. It says Ram. Body color bumpers, body color mirrors, and you have the Sport Performance hood right here with the anti-glare decals right there. So what else is different about the 2018 than 17? You're gonna notice in the interior here, it's gonna look, a lot of the Rams look the same from about 2013 here. They're always improving the technology, but the one thing, you see that 8.4 Uconnect screen system right there? The one thing that's different there is you have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay now, and also with pinch to zoom technology. Plug in your phone, you have Google Maps there, so that's something different. This is the Hydro Blue Edition, so you're gonna get this special color right here. You'll see in the trim in here, there's blue stitching and there's blue accents all throughout the interior. So this is limited to 200 pieces only in Canada here. This one we've done a few things to it. We've added the fender flares. We've jacked it up with a Mopar grill 4 inches. We've put some aftermarket tires and rims on here. You'll see, and also the steps right there. And you'll see the blacked out logo. So normally the Hydro Blue comes without those things and the tonneau cover at the back box here as well.
173, Carson 173.
Did you get that? All right, this is the crew cab, so the bigger doors at the back, all weather mats here. Folds out. Let's do a little stage there, and that goes all the way across. Plus with Ram, you always have secret storage compartments, such as under here, also in there. Also exclusive to Ram, they have the Rambox. This one doesn't have it, but it's kind of like trunks on the side. It doesn't take up much space, just takes up your quarter panels here. If you're towing, you have your 4-pin and 7-pin connectors there. Backup camera, of course. This has a spray-in bed liner. It's ready to go. Also, in 2018, they added a button here. So the 17s don't have this, but the 18s do. There's a button right there. So turn it on and off. Okay. The Mopar tonneau grill is there. So this is a beauty truck right there. We put the flaps on there for you. She's ready to go. This one, the sticker price on this one is $66,230. It has the 3.9 rear axle gear ratio, so you can almost tow up to 11,000 pounds with that. And yeah, it's the Hydro Blue Sport package. So there it is. We got them in all colors. This is a buzz color for 2018. The buzz color in 2015 was the ignition orange. So with the buzz colors, pretty much the same package. You get the black rims, the black logos in orange. Orange was the buzz color for 2015. 2016 was the yellow, and 2017 they brought back the orange and also added a neon green. They call it Sublime Green. And 2018, here it is, Hydro Blue. Now they have announced the 2019 Ram trucks, so there's a bunch of changes there. They changed the grille a little bit there. These lines right here are a little bit more like that. And they changed the aerodynamics on the body. I mean, this is classic Ram right here. This is great too, and we have some great blowout prices on these ones as well. Plus the 19s, come on in, whatever you want, we'll sort it out and we'll figure it out. Financing available, trades are available, 331 Circle Drive West, Auto Clearing, ask for Mark Sugar.